Will you marry me? Riya, what are you saying this? You will get married to a laborer. You have package of lakhs and he won't be able to earn 1 lakh in whole year. I will tell you later. Will you marry to me? What all is going on? You are proposing a laborer and he ran away. Do you know his home?
Yes, madam.
So take me to his home, please.
Okay.
Hey, but
This is the house, madam. Okay, I'm leaving. You came here too?
till how much time you will run?
Why have you come here?
I want to get married to you.
Why would you marry me? What do I have? I can't even feed myself.
I think I have forgotten.
Riya, I'm zero in studies, but you are a topper of the class. We can't get married. Why? Any girl doesn't get married to a boy who is uneducated. You are not uneducated. You are doing your studies. But I don't like studies. It's okay. So I'll go and get study and then I'll do a good job. Then we both will get married. And what will I do? You stay at home, take care of home. You can at least do that. Yes, I'll do that.
Things were different in childhood. We didn't know anything at that time.
Yes, that time we were kids. But now we are adults. We can understand things. So before 2 years, why you ran away leaving your home, leaving everything? Do you know? Since 2 years I've been looking for you.
What else could I have done? I was fed up of hearing taunts from my parents, man. I got angry, so I left home. I thought I will return home only when I become something. But after coming here, I realized that very difficult to feed myself. I'm not able to find a good job and I'm forced to work as a laborer. And now I realized how important education in our life.
Hey, at least you would have told me, na? When you left, me and your family, we all were so much worried. Do you even know? On that you changed your number as well.
Yes, because I neither had to talk to anyone or not to meet anyone. I'll come back someday when I become something.
It doesn't work like this, Sanju. I was your girlfriend, yaar. We were together since childhood. How could you leave me like that and go?
Hey, no one wanted us to live together. Not even your father. He asked me that why are you ruining my daughter's life? Neither your father nor my father wanted us to be together. They used to tell me that you have ruined your life. Why do you want to ruin this girl's life? So, I thought you will find a good guy. Whatever has happened to my life, why should I spoil your life? And you deserve a good guy, not me.
Now you will tell me what I deserve, what I not. Hey, I need peace and happiness in my life, which I used to get only from you. If you want to earn money, na, I don't have any problem, yaar. Become a house husband, I'll become a working wife. There is no problem.
Still, Riya.
Shut up. If now you will behave like a stupid, I'll give you 2 slaps. You met me after 2 years and still you're arguing with me? Do you know how I have spent it those 2 years? How I have spent it those nights? Daily I was thinking, today he will come, no, tomorrow he will come, and daily my hopes were shattering. Still I was making myself remember, no, he will be back.
I'm sorry. I have hurt you so much.
It won't work from sorry. You have to come with me to home.
No, I don't want to go home. If I go home, the whole thing will start again and I can't bear that.
Nothing will happen. I have already spoken to everyone at home. And when we will go back to home, we'll get married.
Really?
Yes, really. Now I can't wait you any longer. How can I trust you if you will run again?
Now I will never leave you. And no one can separate you from me. I didn't know that you love me like that.
This is nothing. If I won't be able to meet you for my whole life, I would be waiting for you and would be finding and getting married to you only.
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
I don't need your sorry. Now come and hug me fast.